welcome. It's Dance and Do It On. Today, we're going to be opening this Pumpkin Hollow animated windmill. This is actually really cool because it doesn't look like it from the picture, but this spins. So stick around to see that. 3, 2, 1. So in here, it looks very nicely packaged. So we're going to grab the adapter and show you what's in here. So in here, we have, not opening box, we have another one. If you were previously tuned, you probably saw us open up a different one. But this one just powers basically the windmill. So stick around to see that. So we're gonna open it. So with that help, we got it. And we're just gonna get it the rest of the way and show you guys what it looks like. So, taking the front part off, it looks really cool. And yes, this does move. So, basically, we're going to open this and show you guys what it looks like.
All right, so we got it out, and now we're gonna get the cord untangled. Now, note that you can use batteries if you prefer, but we have access to power, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it into the power supply right here in the back. The more we move this windmill around, the more we actually really love the detail on it. It has quickly become one of our favorite additions, especially with its movement to our holiday house collection. It's not only spooky, it is a great piece with awesome lighting and great movement. If you'd like to see more houses like this, you just love Halloween or the holidays, because we have a ton of Christmas houses as well. Start with this video right here of Darktail Telecom, and then be sure to hit that subscribe and turn on notifications. We appreciate you being here, and welcome to the Dad and Son community. All our best.